Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. Hope you are well, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easily you can do block printing at home with a potato. I made this t-shirt for my husband as a birthday gift, but before moving to the video, if you like my video and like DIY home decor type content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So let's get started. To make this t-shirt, I am using a Febricryl black color, potato, knife, black permanent marker and a t-shirt. At first, I am cutting the potato. Now this first portion I am keeping aside, and from the second portion I am cutting a thin slit. Now I am taking a cardboard and putting it inside the t-shirt. Now I am taking the potato and dipping it inside the black color. I am gently pressing the potato on the t-shirt like stamp. In the similar way, I am making a design. I'm already written a quote over here. So at the end, my hubby also wanted to do something on the t-shirt. So that's why he's drawing the exclamation sign over here. I must say he's a very good artist. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you do, please like and share my video with your friends and family. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.